Hello, this is Tim Goff of Tim's Computer Repairs in Kokomo, Indiana, and today I'm coming at you with yet another computer repair job. On this job, I am in the process of working on a Corsair desktop, pretty big. This whole entire box here is the CPU. It's got a few different hard drives in it. Oh wow, the RAM chips light up. That's pretty cool. But on this one I had to reformat all of the drives because dude got a virus. And he wanted me to install his Windows 10 Pro, but for whatever reason I was not able to get his desktop to boot via USB, so I had to use my copy with the external DVD drive, and then I used his product key, and I was finally able to get it to install Windows. Now, I'm currently working on the Windows updates now. So, basically, I'm on the last step. Got quite a few more updates to do. But other than that, we've got Windows activated. 32 gigabytes of RAM, 3.60 gigahertz processor, I believe. Let's see here. Minimize that. Double click here. Yeah, it's got like 4 different hard drives. Yeah, so we got Windows 10 Pro with a 3.19 gigahertz processor and 32 gigabytes of RAM on a 64-bit processor. And as you can tell, Windows is indeed activated. And we're just keeping it as a basic desktop setting. The last thing I gotta do is the Windows updates, and then my job will be done. Just gotta do all of them. This has been Tim of Tim's Computer Repairs, and I'm out until the next time.